Wipe down breakroom appliance exteriors and counters at least twice a week to keep high-traffic commercial spaces sanitary and presentable. For daily upkeep, perform quick spot cleaning after heavy use and at closing to remove spills, crumbs, and sticky residues before they set. Twice a week, use a microfiber cloth with a neutral pH cleaner to wipe counter surfaces and appliance exteriors, working from cleanest to dirtiest areas to avoid cross-contamination. Once a month, move portable appliances such as microwaves, toasters, and coffee makers and clean underneath and behind them, vacuuming crumbs and wiping with a diluted bleach solution or approved disinfectant for non-porous surfaces. For deeper appliance care, descale coffee machines following manufacturer instructions using citric acid or vinegar where allowed, and empty and clean drip trays and filters, rinsing thoroughly to prevent lingering tastes. Refrigerators should have shelves removed and washed in warm, soapy water monthly, and door seals inspected and wiped to prevent mold buildup. Keep a simple log on a clipboard or digital note listing dates and tasks to maintain accountability, and train staff on safe chemical mixing, correct dwell times for disinfectants, and electrical safety before cleaning plugged appliances. Common mistakes include only wiping visible spills, which allows grease and biofilm to accumulate, so commit to scheduled twice weekly wipes and monthly deep moves to remove hidden grime. Another frequent issue is using incorrect cleaners on appliance surfaces, which can damage finishes or leave residues. Always check manufacturer care recommendations and test a small, inconspicuous area before full application. A third problem is neglecting filters and drip trays that cause odors and malfunctions. Set reminders to empty and descale these components monthly and replace disposable filters on the timeline the manufacturer specifies. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where people share practical cleaning routines and contractor experiences. We help contractors find work by listing projects and enabling direct conversations with potential clients.